Hi, this is Anura and welcome to Riverside Views. Here you can just feel the vibe. I mean, it's a water-based community, blend of water and you have the nature. This is a 10.5 million square feet of a community. So let me tell you more details about this community. This community is perfect in terms of location and the accessibility. Talking about the location, you're just 16 minutes from Expo 2020 and the Mac Hills Mall is just 9 minutes away from you. So whatever you want is just in your hand's reach. This is your Riverside. It is a 10.5 million square feet of a community where it's a blend of your apartments, townhouses. And here their previously first launch was of townhouses and they had launched about 1,900 townhouses and they were all sold out in minutes. And now the Mac is coming up with their latest launch is the Riverside Apartments. Now the concept of Riverside Apartments is that these are all water-based, waterfront apartments. Here you're getting 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. So these are low-rise buildings and here you're getting tons of amenities. They've given a concept of the waterway and they have the greenway. Wherein in the greenway you're getting something called as the peace room, that is where you can relax and enjoy your own space. Alongside, let's not forget the retails and the clubhouses that you're getting, which makes it much more easier if you are working from home, if you have any meetings or events taking place, to have a clubhouse. And talking about the waterway, I mean, when the Mac comes up with any community, it comes with numerous amenities. And here the top amenities are you have the floating opera, you have the floating cinema, kayaking. There's so many more activities to do. And for retail, you have an island restaurant, you have many restaurants right here. So this was all in all about the community. Let's not forget you're getting the sporting activities such as you have the basketball court, you have the tennis court, you have so many other courts right over here in this building. Secondly, you have for kids, you have the kids play area. There's a lot of activities to do in this community. And like I said, you have easy accessibility. You have a metro line that's coming up, a Brown metro line. Not only that, Etihad Rail is right here. Here you have a school and you also have 3 mosques right here. So this was all in all an overview about how Riverside looks like and what Riverside has to offer you. It's a massive community, and what makes this community different from the others? Now, firstly, Al Maktoum International Airport. So you're just 10 minutes away from Al Maktoum International Airport. It's a really good time for investors to hop in and grab one of these units because once the airport is ready, it's going to give you immense amount of return. And this is not a short-term investment. We are looking at something around 4 to 5 years. It's a little bit of longer investment to gain the maximum return out of it. We're releasing the first cluster, and here you're getting 1 and 2 bedroom apartments with 1 bedroom starting price of, they started off at 880,000 dirhams, but on an average for a good unit right in front, approximately 900 to 1.1 million dirham. And for 2 bed, the starting price is about 1.4 million dirham. Talking about the sizes, your 1 bedroom size is about 760 to 800 square feet. And for 2 bedroom, the sizes is around roughly 1,200 square feet. The handover is in 2028. The payment plan is the max standard, that is 70-30. 70% during construction, 30% on handover. This is their launch offer. I mean, it's the best of both worlds. You're getting both the green oasis as well as the water-based community. Here you have the world's largest airport coming up, which is the Al Maktoum International Airport. It's a very good investment opportunity as well as people who are looking to live in the community near to the airport, wherein you have the schools, the mosques, the malls, everything present in the community. Now, if you're interested in this project and want to know more, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.